Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is how you can have your own all-in-one marketing system online for your business and how to be successful with it, and even create a duplicatable system for you and your team and your business. So with that, we're going to dive right in this and actually show you step by step how you can do that. So if you are looking to increase leads, have more conversions, and actually even have a greater sense of duplication when it comes to your team, you want to stay tuned for this video right here. So with that, we're going to dive right into this video and show you guys all the meat and potatoes, and just stay tuned and I'll see you shortly.
Hi, my name is Cheryl. I'm the Vice President of Marketing here at Nowsite, and I'd like to walk you through the marketing system we've built for Tradera distributors. Let's start by looking at Tradera.org. As you can see, this is a classic sales-focused website. It's well organized and informative. However, a site like this really should be the last step in the sales and marketing process. Capturing your prospect's contact information is not the focus. There's no hook and no clear call to action. And only 1% of people buy the first time they visit a website. So, if a prospect doesn't buy right away, you lose the chance to build trust and build interest with a prospect forever. That's why having a marketing system is so important. And that is exactly what we've built for you to help you generate more leads and build more interest in your Tradera business than ever before. In the next 2 minutes, we'd like to give you a quick tour of what you'll find for you inside of your account as a Tradera distributor. First, in the website section, we have optimized 2 great sales funnels for Tradera. The first sales funnel is all about the Tradera product. It starts with a compelling lead capture form that captures the prospect's information. This page leads to a second page where we share videos and other information about Tradera's trading platform. This second sales funnel is all about the Tradera business opportunity. It starts with a clear, persuasive lead capture form and is followed by a website that describes Tradera's compensation plan. Both of these sales funnels are ready to go when you create your account. You can customize any part of these funnels anytime you like using our simple drag and drop interface. And you can create as many landing pages and websites as you wish. Second, in the email section, you'll find a pre-built 10-day email campaign for Tradera all ready to go to help you automate your follow-up with your prospects. This email series is already connected to both sales funnels, but you are free to customize the campaign or create new email campaigns anytime. Your subscription includes 10,000 marketing emails per month to help ensure that your business stays top of mind with your prospects. Third, in the content section, we have created dozens of social media posts that are ready for you to use on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to help you attract interest in the Tradera opportunity. Check back regularly. We'll keep adding fresh posts every month. In the content section, you'll also find tons of great articles, videos, tools, and training from top industry leaders, all available to you anytime you want to expand your sales, marketing, and networking skills. In our contact section, you'll have access to simple but powerful customer relationship management system. And in the analytics section, we are proud to give you the most complete and intuitive marketing analytics available anywhere, so you can track not only your lead generation, but the engagement you have with each of your prospects across all platforms. If you want to start advertising online, just click online ads and we can provide you with the most proven ads to drive even more traffic to your Tradera sales funnel. And we'll publish your ads across a network of over 1 million websites worldwide. Last but not least, every day our AI-powered content engine will recommend relevant, popular articles, videos, and images about your business category for you to post on your social media. publish on your website's blog, and email to your prospects as a daily newsletter. An incredibly powerful way to attract interest in your business, and it's already set up and ready to go. We hope you enjoyed this short introduction to all of the marketing tools and strategies that are built, tested, and waiting for you to help you market your Tradera business online like never before. To get started using the most advanced, effective marketing platform ever created for the direct sales and network marketing industry, just click the button below. Thanks for watching.
What did I tell you? Welcome back. And what did I tell you guys? This right here is a game changer for you and your business, and even maybe your team business. If you know people who are involved with this, maybe you want to start a team yourself. Maybe you know how to create that duplicatable system for you, but this right here is exactly what you need for it to do so. Also, to increase those leads and conversions into sales. This right here is everything. You have the capture pages, the landing pages, the email marketing, the social marketing that has unlimited content. Oh my, this is amazing, guys. I tell you right now, this is sincerely guarantee a game changer. I've been using it for some other businesses I do too, but hey, if you're looking for this just for your specific business right here, that you saw what it can do for it, you don't want to miss out, and you don't want to wait until it's too late. Guys, I'm telling you right now, it's a perfect time, because people think that things are slowing down, but they're not. They're actually speeding up. And to be online and have an online presence is a necessity right now. We just experienced the biggest shutdown that you had to be able to pivot to online. So to be able to have that presence and to be able to market to anyone constantly and be on the top of mind anywhere in the world, this is huge, guys. You don't want to miss it. So like I say, guys, if you want this, feel free to comment below. If you have any questions about this, feel free to comment below. Also, you can also give me a call on my cell phone or text me. It's my numbers in the description as well. So that's my direct line. So I have no problem answering any calls for you, or actually answering any texts or anything like that. I am here to help you, to assist you with that, to answer any questions, to get you going, to basically help you be successful with your business. The greatest thing about this whole platform is that they give you support. It's not just about, hey, here's something that you can go and figure out yourself. It's a done for you platform. That's what people are lacking. They want to get online, but they just don't understand how to do it. It takes all that thinking out of the way for you. It does it for you, guys. Gives you the ability to create, to have a capture page for your product and your services, as well as one for the opportunity. It's a double win, guys. It's a no-brainer, and hopefully you got some value for this one. So with that, if you did get value from this video, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below that big subscribe button. And right next to it is that little bell. Click that bell and click all. Anytime I put out any new videos, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just made a new video and you like this last one. You might want to check this one out too, because you're most likely is going to get some good value. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment below. If you want to get started, click on the link below. Also, you can reach me on different social media platforms if you want. And until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.